Hi and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the redeem code for TestFlight. Now, a lot of people have asked this question over and over again, but here's an helpful answer from someone who seems to know a lot about it. Now, it says that the redeem code is sent by mail when you add an external or internal new tester in TestFlight. So when you add an external or internal new tester in TestFlight, a redeem code is sent by an email. So what you do is this: open your app in App Store, go to My Apps, select your app. That's an App Store, open it. Now, then go to the TestFlight section. Go to the TestFlight section, then complete the information section and add a new tester. Like you want someone else to test it and to build a test. The moment you add someone new to that list, Apple sends email to them with the invitation, and that contains the redeem code. Now, if this is still confusing to you, here's a link I'm going to drop in the description. Everything you need to know about TestFlight Essentials. It's a very good training for using TestFlight on iOS. You will find it very helpful. I'll be sure to drop the link in the description so you can go through it and you learn in details how to go around this. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please like and share if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you.